Hello everyone, here we are with another episode of Time for Gamers in which I will show you how to download and install Fraps. Of course, uh, of course, it is a full version because if you remove the trailer version and will be able to record only 30 seconds. Uh, to begin with, this will be a short clip, at least it should be. Do not you just play Minecraft and other games? I decided to make this tutorial. Well, to start, the first link of this site will be in the video description. Mm -hmm. Yep. Uh, when you remove it, you will come this folder. Yeah. So going simply means run and I agree next. That's it. Since in this clip I want to show you fraps that will serve to capture, you should go to movies, and after video capture, like movies, video capture hotkey, click the button that you want to begin and end the recording. Then video capture setting, and there I suggest you put 30 FPS. And finally press the empty box, means record external input. You would have recorded a voice, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and sayonara.